Can Ford fix it? 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 That is the question of the morning. If you're just coming into this video, my name is Mike, my channel is Mike Fixed It, and in October I bought a Mustang GT Convertible, and so far it's been great, and I've put out lots of videos on ownership of one of these awesome cars. However, I kind of got the mechanic bug. After years and years of not wrenching, I decided this is going to be a great project car, and so I've been doing some mild mods, and I don't think anything that would either hurt the car or mess up my warranty. Well, I get to test my warranty today because here's what happened. I put on Fyxzt jacking rails. I bought a new jack. I raised up the car and I changed the tires. I have winter tires mounted on one set of wheels, and I switched to my summer tires, which are mounted on another set of wheels. All right, no problem. I've switched wheels before, didn't think it was a thing. So when the car came down, it was making a noise, a weird grinding, scratching noise, a tink, tink, tink noise when you turn the steering from lock to lock.
Turn it right.
So I put out this previous video seeing if anyone else knew what was going on with the sound, see if anyone has heard it before, see if anyone can help me. I was hoping to diagnose it and hopefully fix it myself if indeed I did somehow cause this noise to occur. I got lots of great suggestions, but a lot of them had to do with putting it on a lift and, you know, listening with some diagnostic equipment, which simply I don't have, and I really don't have the time to do this. So we're going to take advantage of our warranty. We're going to bring it to the dealership, and we're going to see if they can help us find the sound. Let me see if it's making that sound this morning. Well, it's definitely still making the noise, so let's bring it to the dealership and let's see what they have to say about it. Can Ford fix it? Can Ford fix it? We're almost there. We're going to Fred Beans Ford in Doylestown. I really hope they can fix it. I hope they find the problem. I hope I didn't do something stupid. I'm hoping we'll be able to say that Ford fixed it. Yeah. We're here. Okay, we are on our way back to the dealership. They found a problem. The right strut mount is binding. So they ordered the part. They said it should take about 5 days to be delivered, and hopefully that'll take care of the problem. They said I can drive the car in the meantime, so we're gonna pick it up, and I look forward to getting that part swapped out. So that's good news. They found it. All right, we have arrived.
You have arrived.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. All right, Mike, you have a good one.
All right, Bob. Appreciate the good service.
Oh, no
have
problem.
a great day.
You do the same.
Okay, thanks. Bye-bye. They're pulling my car around. That's good news. It will be covered under warranty, and like I said, it is the strut mount on the right-hand side. They're getting it apart. It should be about 5 days. They should be able to have the car in and out. They said I could drive it in the meantime, and that's it. Gonna take a deep sigh of relief. Now, despite all this, I'm still sticking with the theory that you should get a Mustang GT convertible. I'll put a link to some of my reasons right there. Well, I'm going to wrap it up right here. Thank you to everybody who watched my previous video, who weighed in on what might be wrong, and I truly appreciate it. I will continue bringing you the ups, the downs, and the all-arounds of Mustang GT convertible ownership. So for right now, that's the end of this quick update. My name is Mike. The channel is Mike Fyxdt. If you want more Mustang action, please subscribe, turn on post notifications. Whether you are a new subscriber or you haven't subscribed or you've been a follower for a while, I look forward to your comments. Please leave them in the comments box below. Be good, be well, be safe, and I will talk to you very, very soon. Bye-bye.